5225. If your finances are keeping you up at night, even if they're not, it's a great way to get yourself back on track and to get your finances ready for the next year, because let's face it, we're facing some tough economic times, and it's definitely time to think ahead for your future as well as your family's future. And we're going to talk right now with Drew Blease. He's been standing by all morning. We're just going to do a little bit of a recap here. Drew, what do people want to know?
People want to know a lot today about they're having problems with home foreclosures, they're having problems with credit card debt, and we have some great resources for them. If we can't help them here, we have some phone numbers and some websites to refer them to for those situations. So we're really helping out a lot of people. We encourage them to call. We got about 5 minutes left, and that's what we've been focused on a lot today.
All right, Drew, thank you so much. Well, I don't want to keep you from the phone. So once again, that number 744-5225. The good news is we're also going to be here for you next Friday. So once again, that number 744-5225. I can hear you calling, which is just great because they're here to help. Reporting live from the KOLD News 13 phone bank, I'm Lauren Burgoyne for KOLD News 13, live local Lake Break.
Thank you so much, Lauren.
Yeah, hurry up. You got 5 minutes to call. And today's Money Saving May tip comes from...
Definitely a good weekend to call. It is the last Friday to call, so let's get to that number, 744-5225, and just take a look. Take your pick of our financial experts. They're here to answer all of your questions. And, you know, with Memorial Day coming up, gas is 12 cents more than it was last week when I checked in with you, so everybody can really use this advice. And here to give some of that advice is Drew Blease. Good morning, Drew.
Good morning, Lauren.
So let's talk a little bit about what kind of calls you're fielding and what people can discuss.
Well, one of the things that we're talking about today is we're talking about credit cards, and we're talking about which ones should you pay off first. And a lot of times people say pay off the higher interest rates first.
Yeah, that's kind of what you would think.
Well, I think it's a good idea to pay the lower balances first, because then you get a feeling of accomplishment going forward. Make sure you cut up those credit cards, get rid of them, and then start attacking the ones that have the higher rates.
So buy a big scissors, basically.
Yeah, definitely. Absolutely. That helps.
And what kind of other things, you know, are you, as well as the other experts in here, you know, able to answer? What kinds of things do people want to know?
I think it's a good idea to call if you have any questions regarding real estate. You know, the housing market is in a recession right now. Also call about if you have cars, if you're looking to buy or sell a car, should you lease a car, should you buy used, should you buy new? And also life insurance. If people have questions about life insurance,